Homemade strawberry butterscotch cake is a great idea. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Recipes and Cookeries channel. We have a delicious treat in store for you. We'll be making a mouth-watering homemade strawberry butterscotch cake. Trust me, this is a dessert you won't want to miss. So, let's start. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1/2 cup of milk, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of fresh strawberries, chopped, 1/4 cup of butterscotch chips. For the frosting, you'll need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of butterscotch sauce, 1/4 cup of fresh strawberries, mashed. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. Step 2. In a mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Step 3. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, stir in the vanilla extract. Step 4. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Step 5. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk. Start and end with the dry ingredients, and mix until just combined. Step 6. Gently fold in the chopped strawberries and butterscotch chips. Step 7. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pan and smooth the top. Step 8. Bake in the preheated oven for 30–35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Making the frosting. While the cake is cooling, let's whip up that luscious butterscotch strawberry frosting. Step 9. In a mixing bowl, beat the softened butter until it's creamy. Step 10. Gradually add the powdered sugar and butterscotch sauce while continuing to beat until everything is well combined. Step 11. Finally, fold in the mashed strawberries. This adds a lovely natural strawberry flavor and a beautiful pink hue to our frosting. Step 12. Once the cake is completely cool, spread a generous layer of the butterscotch strawberry frosting over the top. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, folks, our homemade strawberry butterscotch cake. It's the perfect combination of fruity sweetness and butterscotch goodness. Be sure to like and subscribe Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes like this one. If you try this recipe at home, don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking! Thank you very much.